Jamaica, Jaja, people well forward. You don't know the thing go. You don't know the thing set already. Bless up on yourself. Smash that like there. And if you're brand new, subscribe. You don't know we need to grow that channel that brand new. Big up on yourself. Right now, people. Artists either get boss like Milan. Wagwan! Me say people, a big fight a boombox. One there. Jaja. Dog brawling. Man them rush General B. And me I tell you say brother. It thing plug out for a quick minute. Cause a man in the crowd say, yo. Hey, where? And a man retaliate back and say, where? And me I tell you say people. Me can't believe say the general I get fling off a stage. And that are supposed to be for them own stage. So you try to tell me say the general not good as see you. That day. People big up on yourself. That one are brand new. What going in a dance hall. People you know see appear excitement and drama. Make sure you smash that subscribe there. And turn up your bell, cause right now me I tell you say people content out for drop like a arm and half a tree around here. That me I tell you. So right now it's been said that the artist drop on them face and me I tell you say people we can't happy about that. You see it at the same time we don't know what go on cause them supposed to be friend and as well the man say him feel for breaking her tears. You see it cause friend and friend are gonna kick off. If you have a real virgin then you must can kick off and squash a thing and make sure say it thing normal. But people know if a man drop on him face, me not think it go forward back from there so you get physical. But then again that wasn't planned. So wanna think people drop it in the comment section. Was the person wrong for shoving him off a stage? And was that justice? Or was that called jungle justice? Or sea view justice? Did he deserve it? I think him deserve a drop on him face. Big legendary artist, General B. At the same time, people have mixed feelings as well, I must say. Since Boom Down my passing, General haven't been around too much. So you know say people have that in them feelings. So it's a touchy situation. So big up to General B. And if you get hurt, wish you a speedy recovery, you see it. So people, that one I know, I got turn up this. I got turn up the thing. Now we have some good message on the internet that go on viral right now. Where I think where Squash Mom, big up her. You see it? She say a thing where she has said, boy, the artist been that road. So the people them we have vlog and I said the artist lock. Didn't even know what go on people. So that's a good look. Good look, good news. You know say the artist in a good health and strength and him that road, that's it. So we can look forward for some content soon. People brace on yourself for that one. Now people, dancehall get nice again. Is it wartime? Is this looking like a early sting? Malie Donn step out brawling, call out Octane. Brethren, a pay thing a go on. No. People are say all kind of things. Say Octane run from the war with Cargo. Cargo respond. Say Malie Donn a go kill Cargo. I say, what? Foota Hype said different. Foota Hype said let's get the war going. And I'm going with the original DJs. That's the words of Foota Hype. And I'm also big up Malie Donn. But the only problem Foota Hype have with the new generation artists is him said they cannot perform. Right? Wanna be the judge, drop it in the comment section. Smash the like, share the content and big up on yourself. People, this is very interesting right now because Octane need to in the Wagwan right now. We need to see Octane hot in a dancehall right now. So if a hot artist right now we're out, especially a young artist, we know say have some time in the game if can really improve, put out some art content, can really bring back an artist like Octane. Because Octane have the talent. You see it. Listen Octane song them have the energy. Octane have the energy there. And the delivery. So with that put together as a package, this can be real great for Octane. So big up Malie Donn, big up Octane, and this would be really interesting to see. And we also want to see Cargo forward in the clash too. Because what they all determined forward in the clash and a big thing are going on. One of the time, me and them say, boys, like, Octane run out of the clash and it's a studio thing, but Octane forward. Octane say, anyway, he might run up on an artist on stage. Right? I'm like how him declare it's a lyrical thing, keep it music. So big up Octane for that, you see it? And big up Malie Donn, keep the pressure upon them, you see it? Yeah. Now people, may I tell them they say that one had trouble, did they? No. I don't know if even forward with that one now. Foota Hype already start the fire upon it, big up Foota Hype. Now Foota Hype I say, Danny have too much punchline in that song yeah, where I connect. And me said, I can't make this up. In the front of the Range Rover, in the hotel, in the traffic, make me weak. So basically, Foota Hype I say, it's like say boy, the Dan mouth guilty. God the dog shouldn't even not pay that no mind and me no know. Foota say boy, for the things that the next cat they have on the road and I go on and no response. And a melon, a watermelon. Actually a slice of melon. That's what causes damage. One slice of watermelon. We're supposed to make your John stiff. That's a cause a problem. Unbelievable. Jamaica, sorry for breaking it down like this, but we lost. We lost that one. Unbelievable. You mean to tell me, say, one slice of melon it's like a matches strike. Remember, say the brother said he made hot, you know. The man, they had hot, you know, brother. Hey girl, go suck your mama. Foota said she never deserved that suck your mama there. As a Foota said, she's such a nice person. She well kept, brought up right. He never did know say she not mess with body and them someday. Words of Foota Hype. Very interesting. Very interesting people. That's what I can say. We don't know what going on. Did the artists see pretty pumps and get excited? Perhaps? We don't know. But all I know say, this woman has something going on over there. And then she drop a song, a diss song. Why this rough? What next? The tape? I look for the visual. Because it may tell us that people, if the visual drop, food again. Foota said that made the man look guilty, brother. So, we don't know people, drop it in the comment section. You think say one slice of melon should have cost all of this a controversy? That's all. Melon style I get attacked. Sanitation people, them ask about it, you know. I say, they need to write a ticket for littering. Yo, I want to know, man. May I tell you, say, Bridging Awadi, I'm forward over TikTok. Only if you go see a dancer girl, I confess, how a little man burglarize her back door and tear it down. And take set in there. That's she I say one at a time, she I wonder what go on. If she still have front, cause the man no walk off veranda no more. The man make gate, run her back. People, subscribe, smash the bell, and big up on yourself. I'm saying to myself, that cat here serious right now. People, me don't know if I lick I people them a drink, or I peel them with them a pop, or the people them just crazy, or people them just freaky, or the people them just a live them life. Me don't know what it is, people, but you know, your things normal no more. Everything just real exotic, you know, normal. That's what I'm trying to get to. It's like, no, it's nothing unexpected. Just brace yourself for hear it. You understand? When me hear this cat here talk, brawling, one night time I have to really check if this was like a scripted thing. I say, nah man, this too, you can't so talented. And she talk about the burglarizing and the kick off back door and top walker front, abandoned front bush up, man I broke over fence, make door through wall. What an interesting place named Jamaica. And what's even more amazing, and so Jamaica, I have to address all of this. And you see that little thing earlier, we are radio station get shut up. Really. Jamaica is just like the Wild Wild West. People will forward to the Wild Wild West. One love, no problem. Get a vest and a red stripe. AKA Blam Down. I said down the name. Right now, people, you think look how we are still, and poor people still a cry, you know. So what we have to do is look out for each other, strengthen each other. You see it, and we have to keep the thing organized. Too much segregation, you understand, and too much things when it make sense. A shadow mind. Be on call stuff. People not focus but not no positive, not no interesting. Anything we're interested in right now, we're viral or something negative. Pray that. Big up on yourself. Subscribe. You see it. Thanks for the support. You see me? I could build a channel here. All the reason here. Build a vibe here. See me? our place this, right sir? Yeah man. So Jamaica, right? Our place, our flag. Out of many, one, our channel. Remember that our channel. So we could support this to the fullest. Our channel this. Since our channel this. Remember that. So subscribe, like and share because our channel this. Big up yourself. You're a star.